Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by picking the desktop browser because it gives immediate access to extensions and filters. Once chosen, install a content blocker and a user style manager so you can remove UI elements. Make sure you sign into Chrome or Firefox only if you want synced rules. Otherwise, use a separate local profile to avoid affecting other accounts. Now enable the extension and go to YouTube. You'll be ready to apply specific hide rules in the next step. Don't skip enabling developer features if offered. You now create the blocking rules. Open your content blocker and add filters targeting the shorts shelf, short form and points, and known short CSS selectors. Once done, add a user style that hides shorts thumbnails, the shorts player, and any banners that promote short form content. This ensures the feed and watch pages remain clean. Make sure to test by refreshing and navigating several pages because selectors change. Refine them until shorts no longer appear. Then export your rules so you can restore them easily later. You finish by locking settings. Pin and enable your extensions, export your blocker and user style configs, and store them so you can reinstall quickly. For mobile, switch to a browser with desktop mode or use an alternative YouTube front-end or client that omits shorts. Be cautious with third-party apps and check permissions. If shorts reappear, clear cache and cookies, confirm the extension is enabled, update filters, and reapply selectors. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most regressions when YouTube tweaks its markup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.